Hello guys, the name is Mkuli. I have a YouTube channel and I'm doing mostly anime recommendation, but now I'll be shifting to a new content which will be grade 10 mathematics. So the first topic that I will do will be algebraic expressions. I know most of the kids when they get to grade 10 and do pure math, they have struggles when it comes to this topic. So I'm going to show you the rules and I'm going to show you the examples on how you apply these rules. So we're going to do rule number one. Rule number one will be A, open brackets, A plus B, close brackets. Then they will tell you to simplify. You know how to simplify? You need to take out the brackets. How do you take out the brackets? You say A times A gives us A to the power 2. We also say A times positive B gives us plus AB. Sorry for the handwriting. Then we go to rule number 2. So rule number 2 is actually simple because we're doing the very same thing, but now we're expanding. Like we're going to say A plus B, close bracket, open bracket, A minus B. So we need to simplify it. How can we simplify it? We say A, open brackets, A minus B, close bracket. We're going to say A, open brackets, A minus B. Understand? Then you look at the sign. You take this sign, you put it here. It becomes a plus B, open bracket, A minus B, close bracket. Understand? And you're gonna erase this because you've seen. It's the most quickest method you can use when you're simplifying something like this. Understand? So now we're gonna simplify it. So we're going to say A to the power 2 minus B. AB minus AB. Then we're going to say plus. Guys, sorry, I made a mistake. It has to be positive AB. Then we're going to say AB. When it goes that side, it becomes a negative B to the power 2. Understand? When these, because these are like terms. Understand? Meaning that we're going to say A to the power 2 plus 2. Because they are 2. When they are adding, they give us 2. Then AB minus B. So that's 1, 2. And this is how you simplify it. Then I'm going to do example 1 and example 2. Understand?
Action.
So as I've said, we're going to do example 1 and example 2. Example 1. Will be, we're going to take we're going to take 2x, open brackets, x plus 2. Rule number 1. Do you still remember? We're going to simplify it. It's going to be 2x times x, meaning that it's going to be 2x to the power 2. Understand? Then we're going to say 2x times positive 2, meaning that our answer is going to be positive 4x. And that's our answer. Voila. Then we go to example 2. Okay, example 2 will be a little bit trickier, but not that much. Because we're going to use x minus 4, close bracket, open bracket, x plus 2. Then we need to simplify. Understand? This is where we use our keyword, rule number 2. Understand? You remember rule number 2, which is x, open brackets, x plus 2 plus, because it's a minus, I made a mistake, I'm going to say minus 4 open brackets x plus 2. Understand? So what we're going to do, we're going to simplify. Same thing that we did here, but we're doing it in rule number 2. This times this gives us x to the power 2. This times this gives us positive 2x. Then we go to the other side. Negative 4 times positive x gives us negative 4x. Then we go to the other side. Negative 4 times positive 2, which is negative 8. So what we're going to do will be, since these are like terms, they are going to minus each other, cancel each other, if you catch my drift. So what we're going to do, we're going to say x to the power 2. Obviously, this has the bigger number. This has the, 4x minus negative 4x as the larger number, meaning that we will take a negative. Understand? Meaning that we're going to say negative 4, we're going to say negative 2x, then we say negative x. This will be our rule number 2. Then I would like to give you an exercise to do. So our exercise will be exercise 1. Exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1, I'll choose here in my book, meaning that we're going to do number 1 will be 1 minus 2a, close brackets, open brackets, close brackets, open brackets, 4 plus 3a. Then second will be 2 open brackets, then we're going to use 4 open brackets, x minus 8. I thank you, and the next video will be answering these questions, so please stay tuned and click that subscribe button. Thanks.